pretty much the only time where you can actually enjoy the sun. Bike's third service scheduled today, and at about 10 a.m. And I'm just getting things ready, just checking if everything's okay. It's 7:02 now. Hello, sir. How do you do? All good? Whoa! Okay, so we are pretty much all set. Okay, and oh god, forgot one thing. I forgot to carry one of these. So there's gonna be a long wait, and I felt that I should carry one of these just in case. You never know. I don't know how many of you follow this or do this on a usual basis, but whenever you're heading out to some place, possibly far away, and just in case that you have to return, you have to enter back home, you need to sit down for a couple of while, and like you sit down anywhere, wait for like 1-2 minutes, and after that continue your journey. So it's more or like there will be no obstacles to what you're heading for, right? And today, regarding my bike service, I don't want any obstacles. So I'm sitting here for complete 1 minute, and yeah, I'm going to do that. So we are all set. We sat there for almost a minute, and yeah, let's go. Is it just me, or this lift kind of feels too old school? You need to pull this sideways every time you need to enter. Okay, just one last thing. You need to put on the mask, and we're ready to go. I'll have to stop for a bit of refueling because it's 22 kilometers away, and I don't want to take any chances. For some reason I like narrow roads, provided that they are not crowded. Basically that goes with everything. Provided anything is not crowded, I like it. I'm always scared of riding in parallel with buses, not because of the fact that they can take unexpected turns anytime, but the fact that in a bus there are always people who stick their head out of the windows and vomit. You can always ride beside Volvo buses though. People can't stick their head outside, so it's pretty safe to ride along with it. Yes, I can. Yeah. This service center looks really good, and see the line of bikes. Looks good, doesn't it? And there's my bike waiting for someone to attend it. and hopefully someone does soon. So many bikes. So this is how it looks. Look wise, 10 on 10. Regarding my bike, someone did come and have a look at it. They assured that they would start working on it in like about 10-15 minutes. So I think I would wait in the customer lounge. The customer lounge is amazing too. So while I was waiting, I saw something called what do you call as Netflix videos. I have no freaking clue what Netflix means, but they've done something. So what they've done right now is they've taken the bikes from where it was parked. They carried it outside to the parking area with the key on. So it's been a long time waiting, but they are still working on bikes that were scheduled to be serviced a day before. So I'm still waiting, but there's one interesting thing. There's a rare sight that I saw right now. How often does something like this happen? You're playing a game of chess. The game of caroms. If you sit down here to play caroms, it goes straight down because there's nothing. This has to be another strangest thing that I found here. Done, and apparently they have changed the brake pad and the clutch wire and the normal services, the usual services, the oil change, the chain lubricant. Apart from that, I guess things look good. The bike's running smooth and I am happy, but I don't want to jinx anything, so yeah, I would just say yeah, it's fine. But yeah, to be very honest, it feels nice. Oh, but the traffic ahead doesn't. Oh god, there's a lot of traffic ahead. Jam-packed sessions. Okay. Let's do it. So I finally reached home, dead tired. Now my bike's okay now, and that's all required for my next trip. So see you soon. Bye bye.